Oh, look at this tree, guys. There's a whole plaque about it.
What?
It's an ancient white oak.
Ancient?
Apparently.
Don't step on my...
It's the oldest tree along the Virginia Creeper Trail and is estimated to be over 150 years old.
Oh my gosh. That's why it's so big.
Yep.
Let me touch it. No.
Look at the
It might crumble.
no, but look how wide the trunk is.
I know.
It's massive.
You can make a whole house out of that. Not that I'm saying I want to.
Look at that bottom. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. I bet it's like a mom tree to all of those.
Guys, I hope you can see me. It's hard to set up the shot. So we're in my staircase, my stairwell, my stairway, whatever you want to call it. This is, I'm guessing, about 24 to 28 feet in height, the walls are. So I have some ideas to kind of take advantage of that space, but I'm really excited to paint this space because it's just such an interesting staircase. It turns a little bit. If you can see that these two stairs are a little bit wider, so it kind of, as it turns, they get wider, which is kind of classy. We're in and out of, outside all day and come in. So I really need to get like one of those little mini vacuum cleaners, little handheld vacuum. I've had several in the past, but they always break on me. So if you guys know a great one, please tell me because they always break. But yeah, so the stairs are dirty. They're always dirty, whatever. Our house in the mountains, I really wanted to do earth tones. So all earth tones. So I thought this would be kind of nice. We do get a lot of sunlight in here. So I thought a sky blue would look nice. Clean the walls first, as much as I can anyway, and dust. And then I'm going to do some joint compound, then some sanding. I'm also going to have to tape everything. So I have a lot of taping left to do to get the space ready to paint. I'm also going to maybe change at least one of the lighting fixtures. I'll show you guys that as well. And I was actually thinking about some curtains too. So I have a lot of ideas about how to make this space a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more elegant, a little bit more elevated. But I'm really excited to get started. I feel like this is going to be the first project we've done inside the house to kind of make it feel like our home. We did paint my daughter's bathroom downstairs, but it was kind of just a mini makeover. I mean, we didn't really change a whole lot. It's going to make it feel like we're putting our mark on our new home, which I'm excited about. So anyway, so let's get started. That's the lighting fixture that I really want to change. There is a window at the top of the stairs. Got some stuff there, but that's the window. We're going to take these blinds down too. That's the only piece of decor I had hanging up right now, besides the mirror that was here. Anyway, so we're definitely going to be adding some decor. And so we have a little rail here. Arch, you have this wide open space, this opening to go down the stairs, which I think is cool. I think we could add like a little something here, maybe up here and here to kind of just like give it a little bit of flair and interest. So yeah, I was looking up some stuff for that. I had some cool ideas. All right, so this is the very top, and then you see there's a little bit of railing. So I kind of do something fun with Christmas for that usually. But not a whole lot of railing. And then, so there's a window. So there's actually 3 windows in this space. And then you come down, and of course there's a long rail, and then there's the steps, and then they turn, and then there's a stair. I mean, there's a window at the bottom of the stairs, which is nice. And then there's the lighting fixture that I don't know. I don't totally hate it. I don't totally love it. I may or may not change it out. I'm not sure yet, but I'm definitely going to change the one at the top. And then up here, there's yet another window. So kind of nice. I like the three windows. There's a lot of light in here. I thought it would look nice with the light blue. Like, yeah. So that's basically the staircase. You could definitely add like a bench or something, like a small bench here or something like that. Anyway, so I have some ideas. But as you can see, I mean, it's just white and plain and boring. And I mean, the height, it seems like we could do something cool with today. So look at our internet because it was down. And we found out that our dogs, or as I like to call them, our goofy butt dogs, chewed up part of the line trying to get to like a mouse because they found a dead mouse near where the problem was. So that was a little frustrating. Not surprising with our dogs, but still frustrating. All right. I'm just going to feel it up here because I can reach it, so I'm not going to worry about it. I mean, there's going to be touch-ups. I think with any paint job, there's going to be touch-ups. Like, it's inevitable. So, I don't really worry about it. Great. Let's go for that. Guys, you can tell the sun is kind of going down. I was going to paint a little bit of the color in a couple of spots, basically just because I wanted to go ahead and do it. So paper plate, but it's really big. And then I got like a small container of the paint, just in a mason jar, and paint some here. I can just kind of see what it's going to look like. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Awesome. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I'm really excited about the staircase project and we should be able to finish up next week. So I'll be finishing painting. I will be hanging some curtains, changing some light fixtures, and of course adding decor. So I hope you'll want to come back for that and check it out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great week and I will see you soon. All right, bye.